Perfect. Just gonna set things up. Hey guys, today we're gonna start the Wim journey. Um, been wanting to get on Wim for a while, and yeah, it's just like with a lot of agentic coding, you kind of don't use the terminal at all. And I've noticed like since using cursor, Claude, and stuff, you're mostly waiting for a prompt to be generated. You kind of have started spending less and less time with your PC, and I feel like, yeah, it's just like nowadays I don't get on my PC too often, and I feel like if I learn Vim, it's kind of like, yeah, I'm just making a better environment for myself, which, you know, I just want to be on my computer more than my phone, so I feel like with AI and stuff, I'm more on my phone right now. So yeah, I did a few of these topics. I think I stopped more over here, probably like find character. But yeah, I feel like most of the things, yeah, it's just like I want to ensure I'm good with a lot of these things, and yeah, I just want to re-practice them. Yeah, HJKL, this is like pretty standard. Right. Yeah, this is pretty straightforward. Yes. Bywords. Right. Right. Oops. Perfect. It's not too bad. I also changed my um, escape key to being caps lock, so I'm just trying to get used to that as well. Also, AG. Yeah, it's just like it's so weird to press the escape key. Oops. Oh no. So escape, undo. Escape. Yeah, it's just like I keep on pressing tab instead of. Oh my god, I'll just restart this. Yeah, I keep on pressing tab instead of. So I need to make a better mental map of that key. R A S F console. Yeah, like there for example, I kind of I forget the touch on the. Oops. Gotta do EAF caps lock. R. Yeah, that one was bad, but I kind of get the gist of it. What was this again? Beginning and end of the line. Alright. Alright. So, oh yeah, this one straight up pulls up the edit mode, which is pretty neat. It's low-key kind of neat. Oops. Go I, C, go A, colon. Oh, yeah. A, oops, I, R, A. Yeah, it's kind of weird how A is the one that goes. Yeah, I'm pretty bad at talking and. Oops, I don't know what I did there. A colon. Oops. I can just do a small a for that. Controls. Oops, pressed R by mistake. Constant. Yeah, like I can truly see like this making me really fast in my things. Like sometimes when you enter the flow state, it is very rewarding, which I kind of want to experience as well. Go A. Yo. Escape. Tab on. No. Caps lock undo. Just do A. Bracket. Escape. I. L. Escape. A. Colon. Escape. I can just do A colon. Escape. I. C. Escape. A colon. Escape. I. C. Yeah. So small O is below and capital O is above. Alright. So yeah. I'll get. Also, do Vim users usually not use certain things? For example, like almost. For example, for if I don't want to press capital, oops, exit. For example, if I don't want to do small, I can just come from below and press capital O. So do you guys like just never use like a character? Because there's another thing that does the thing as well. Oops. Like there, for example. Rat. Fox. Yeah. That's pretty alright. S, X. Yeah. S was the one that deletes it and enters the insert mode. X is just for the character. R is for, yeah, just like, yeah, it doesn't enter exit mode. R. Perfect. So, alright. S, youngest user. I can do R for this. RC. X. Oops. Go X. X. This one needs to be removed. Bar. RC. RR. All this. Yeah, you see, like, sometimes you just, I truly see the power of Vim, you know? I feel like if you get to prime engines level, like, I feel like just manually writing code is much more rewarding, in my opinion. What was this again? Move to the next word. Oh, it's just like, yeah. Yeah, for example, like, I don't really see a point in these things. Sure, like there, a normal W is better, and like like for their example, like I don't really think that was a good example for. Also, dollar is such a weird thing because it's kind of the number 4, so it's away from the alphabetical keys. Move to the beginning of the line. Also, shout out to Vim Hero. I feel like this is the best site. It kind of gives me monkey type vibes. I use monkey type a lot, so yeah, thanks there. the beginning of a line, move to the end of the line, move to the first word. Like, yeah, I don't really see the point of all these navigation tools. Wait, so dollar, zero, zero, dollar. Like, I would straight up use the WEB keys. Like, yeah, I feel like I wouldn't use that in practice too much. Probably, yeah. Yeah, I feel like zero, yeah, maybe I might use it. What was this? Fine motion. So small f is move forward and capital F is move backward. Yeah, here's where I stopped yesterday. So yeah, S is forward, S capital S, F open bracket, F dot. Oh, and if you press tab, oh no, colon. Yeah, so capital bracket, F colon, F. Oops, wrong key. Yeah, for the last one, like I could see the power of it. Like I wanted to go to the eye, so yeah, it's a good. I like that. Till motion. Okay, so let's see what this is. Glitch. So if I do TS, so I don't really understand it. Wait, what's till? So TR. Oh, okay. So in order to go to R, he pressed the. Alright. So he's gonna press comma. Alright. Like, I don't know if anyone will ever use that in practice. Like, what? Why not just use F? Yeah, I feel like no point in me learning that. Text using operators. Operators are commands that perform actions on text. Oof, that's sick. Okay, yeah, these are pretty sick. Hey yo, this site is paid. Um, is this actually a paid site? I never knew that. That's tough. Yeah, like I'm down to pay for this for sure. Like I feel like this is a good site and that's not a bad price. But I know like Prime Engine Whim game. Yeah, I know Prime has a game on Whim. No, not that. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be. Yeah, I think it's this. Yeah. Why is there a random video? Alright, so how does one this one get this in their WEM setup. Yeah, guys, I'm a bit of a WEM noob here. I didn't even do any setup yet. Because I wanted to get more familiar with the keybinds. Okay, let's just ask our trusted friend ChatGPT. That's what I always do. Yeah, I'm gonna use Ghosty for now. Yeah, this is literally my setup so far. I don't know anything. The editor doesn't matter.
My name is the Primogen, and I've been using Vim, most optimal one in every single moment. That sounds exhausting. So that's why I just took what the memes are good and just kind of build that muscle memory and delete that line. If you do command mode Vim be good, you will get a game. If you navigate down with your J's all the way down to HJKNL, press DD to delete that.
There's a free CodeCamp course.
Florian from Neuro9 has a
free CodeCamp is really good for like, they spend a lot of time on like the basic stuffs, which is what I like about this channel. But I feel like if you're trying to learn a language, like they be doing stuff like too simple, you know. I feel like it's really good for those people who didn't really do a CS degree. Yeah, you see, like, you can just, I don't really need all that.
Now, when it comes to the installation, it all depends on what kind of operating. All you need to do
So they're gonna use like this basic WIM setup. I kind of want a nice like I want someone else's like LSP. Yeah, I probably do have to do my own research here, and you know, run a few videos, get my Lua file pretty decent. Might have to watch it. Like, are there any tutorials on Lua as well? Wait, no way. Alright, pretty sure Lua, like, yeah, pretty sure I just need like this course should be good enough for me. So I have my coffee on the side as well. Okay, you know what? Instead of wasting time, I probably should do this. Yeah, fuck it. Haven't been on NeetCode for a long time. I can just do that instead of cutting the stream. Oh, there's a neat bot now as well. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. Alright. Anagrams together. I'm pretty noob on NeetCode, so like probably gonna make some stupid mistakes here. What's the recommended? wait, what am I doing, guys? I know they have yeah, win mode. Let's get it. Let's try to use this. So yeah, equal to 1, then return list of that's for the base case. I feel like. So yeah. So yeah. Oh, can I do a new line? When? Um, so if I do 50, yeah, I mean, but the O character enters insert mode. Um, yeah, I guess I can just oh hell no! What the hell happened here? Whoa! Oh man, I should have learned. So let me enter insert mode. Yo, I feel like I made like a pretty newbie mistake here. I wanna know. I wanna see what I did wrong. Probably I'll figure it out later. So if I do like normal mode, if I do 10, oh, see like, didn't I do 10? No, escape. Like, how how does the buffer work here? Like, I exited it, but yeah, fuck it. Like, I don't mind using like. Okay, back to anagrams. Yeah, I just use like a dictionary in my opinion. Use sort, but if I use sort, that adds like a log n complexity. Also, if I also the ASCII value of these words would be the same as well. Can you do ASCII of like multiple Python IDE or like a online so basically kind of like ORD of something. So I run this. Oh, what's the other? ORD. ORD takes in like just one. Oh, probably just takes one. Yeah, ASCII of words. have to do like for loop. Yeah, looks like it. But yeah, and that's like a method that came in my head too, which was like maybe could use as key. Also, oh man, Vim is so nice. Could use hash maps. That's method number one. What else? I think those are mostly the things that are coming in my head. So for every word, okay, this one you sorted. Yeah. Yeah, see, it adds a login, so we kind of didn't want that. Oh, yes. I should remember this. Instead of doing like CHR, we can, this is like a easy way to do that, yes. Keep on forgetting it. Use the method. I should actively try to remember this. So, for word in strs, so count is equal to 0 times 26 letters, and so for each letter, for char and word, so count of, I'm not looking at the solution right now, count of car, no, yeah, it's gotta be count of car minus ORD of like the letter A plus equal to 1. Oh man. Why did we do tuple here? So let me initialize. Also, why do we have to do default dict instead of just initializing solve this? So why can't I just do res of, oh, I get it. Because we want to make a tuple of this list. So it becomes like a character. The list becomes a character. So yeah, just so we should append this so yeah, append the above word. So yeah, word. Yeah, that's correct. And return. Perfect. Yeah, cause like this is of type list, but tuple like changes that. It makes it a record of its own. Yes, this is what I was saying. Yeah, so the index of A is gonna be lesser than whatever character it is. Okay, W, W, top 1%. Not bad, not bad, guys. Should I do another one? I feel like the lead code videos, it's kind of like, if I start this journey, I kind of want to watch lead code's videos as well, because he gives good amount of explanations on other methods and like certain things, so which could be helpful. So I wouldn't want to do this on live. Sorry, I'm drinking coffee. It's 1:33 a.m. drinking coffee. Gonna be awake for a while. Yeah, I want to do more of Wim, but before I just give into some online course, I kind of want to just learn Lua enough for Wim. Get a basic setup done on the init.lua file, and that way I can just use Primogen's Wim be good repo and get that. Yeah, just get this file. So yeah, I'll definitely figure those stuff out. So yeah, I would say it's somewhat of a start to day one. Alright, see you guys.